Look for a good CRM software, click on the link in the description below. Alright, HVAC people, so before we get into this next call, I want to share with you my favorite things about one of the best CRM software there is, called Jobber. One of the first things is scheduling the customers. It's so easy as far as the communication with me and the customer. I get to communicate with my customer through email and text messages, letting them know that I'm on the way, what date and time I will get there, and I can give them an arrival window. Awesome. All right, so number 2, it has to be the estimating tool or sending quotes. Like this job right here, I'm gonna do a repair on the unit, but these systems are getting kind of old, so technically the customer could stand a quote on getting the unit replaced. So I'm going to repair the unit and send them a quote on what it's going to take or what it would look like if they was to purchase a new unit. So that's my second favorite thing, the quotes, because I get to maximize each opportunity or each job. Oh, so I got this one buttoned back up. I just got to speaking with the homeowners. They actually got a 4th unit on the side of the building they wanted me to take a look at. Matter of fact, let's walk around here. Actually, he wanted me to go ahead and give him a quote on replacing all 3 of these units. They say they already replaced the one on this side. So, but let's go ahead and get into my 3rd thing, because I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. My 3rd one, 3rd and final. Well, I ain't gonna say final because Jobber always surprised me with different apps and different cool features and stuff like that. But the 3rd one gotta be the ease of invoicing. Invoice is so easy. I can collect payment by cash, checks, credit cards, wire transfer. Hey, the list goes on. But definitely sending invoices, getting paid on the spot, is definitely my favorite. But yep, this is the 4th unit right here. Doesn't look new. That's a lot of dust. So I told them they might not need the maintenance on this one since it's new. But I ain't know it was in the rock close to the street, so go ahead and watch that one up too. All right, HVAC people, those are my 3 favorite things about Jobber. If anybody out there interested in the software like Jobber, hey, I'll leave a referral link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching.